Hi everybody, so I'm just referring to question 19 from today. So this is what we refer to as a statement, and the question's asking you copy and complete the statement shown for the 4-month period here. So in questions like this, what you have to do is look at your opening balance, and then you need to go, okay, and look at these transactions. So every time a transaction says deposit, it means you're adding to this value. And every time it says a withdrawal, you're then withdrawing it from the previous value, okay? So let's do, hopefully this one's not permanent. Okay, so my first one, 975, a deposit, so I'm adding 197 equals 1172, 1172. Then I'm withdrawing. So here, I'm withdrawing from this value here. So they say that this person took out 641. Okay, so that's 531 now. On the 4th of August, they then deposited 299, so I'm adding 299, which then brought the total to 830. Cool. Then on the 19th of August, they then deposited another $862. Okay, so that was 1692. On the 29th of August, they withdrew $176. Okay, so bringing the total to 1516. Then they deposited 194. 194. The hardest thing about this is probably making sure that you're putting the correct numbers into the calculator. Okay, so big withdrawal on the 28th of September. They withdrew 800 from this amount. Okay, so we've got 910 now. And then they deposited 426, so add 426. So 1336. Then they withdrew 500, subtract 500 equals 836. So therefore my balance, okay, after 4 months would be $836. Okay, so for the second question, it says, so question 19, that was A, and now we're doing B. State the minimum balance for each month. So the minimum balance obviously for July was 531. Okay, that's the minimum. The minimum balance for August was 830 minimum. The minimum balance for September would have been 910. Okay, cool. And then, like we can see here, the minimum balance for October would have been 836. So these are the minimum balances for each month. Now, number C, let me see if it's still working. And C is asking us to calculate the interest owed by the bank if the interest rate was 2.75% per annum. Okay, and it is paid on the minimum monthly balance. So the minimum monthly balance. So let's do July. So the minimum monthly balance of July was 531. Okay, now if we times that by 2.75%, obviously we need to convert that to a decimal. So that's going to be 0.0275. So let's see what that equals. So 531 times that by 0.0275 equals $14.60. Okay, but that is, okay, if they had $531 invested for the whole year, because remember that's 2.75% per annum, okay? But, so that's giving us the total interest they would have earned if they left that in the bank for the whole 12 months, but we don't want to know 12 months, we just want to know a month. So we need to obviously get this number and divide it by 12. Okay, and so 1460 divided by 12, that is going to equal $1.22. Now we'll do the same again for August. So August, Okay, the minimum balance was 830. 830 times that by 0.0275% equals, so 830 times that by 0.0275% equals $22.82. 83 cents. But that, once again, is if they had $830 invested in there for the full year, okay? Then they'd receive 2.75% per annum. But they didn't leave it in there for the full year, okay? They only had that amount in there for 1 month. So we have to divide this by 12. Okay, so we've got 2283, $22.83 divided by 12 equals not much, $1.90. So what I would do to finish off this question is I'd do the same, okay? I would find the minimum balance for September, which would be 910. I would times that again by 0.0275, divided by 12, get my answer. I do the same for October. The minimum balance is 836. Times that by 0.0275, get that answer divided by 12 again. Okay, and then I'd add up all of the interest, so interest for July, interest for August, interest for September and October, and that would give you the answer for C. Okay, and don't forget as well, all the answers are in the back of your book.